In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your website background using Wix. Whether you're sprucing up your site with a fresh look or just experimenting with different styles, I'll guide you through the process of updating your website's background easily and efficiently. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to customize your site's appearance to better match your vision and branding. Let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Wix account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to wix.com. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, which is usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click it to enter your login credentials. With your details in place, click the Login button to gain access to your Wix dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, you might want to double check your email or password for any typos or use the password recovery option if needed. Now that you've successfully logged in, it's time to open your Wix website editor. From your dashboard, you'll see a list of your sites. Locate the website you want to edit. Once you found it, you'll see an Edit Site button next to the site's name. Click on this button and it will take you directly to the Wix editor. This tool is where all the magic happens, granting you the power to make your site uniquely yours with just a few clicks. Once you're in the Wix editor, it's time to choose the background you wish to modify. If your aim is to change the background of an entire page, you can do this by clicking anywhere on the background. Just make sure not to click on any existing text or images. This will allow you to access the options specific to the page background. However, if you're looking to modify a strip background, the process is slightly different. For strip backgrounds, you'll want to click directly on the strip itself. This focus on precision lets you adjust only the section you're interested in. Remember, the choice of background can significantly alter the tone and feel of your website, so think about what will best convey your message or brand identity. Consider aspects like color, texture, and even movement, as dynamic backgrounds can often add an extra layer of engagement. And that's it. You've learned how to adjust your Wix site's background. Experiment with different designs until you find the one that fits seamlessly with your aesthetic. Happy editing, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps if you ever need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most out of your Wix site.